Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn any image from Google into a 3D model. Even if you don't have any experience, this is just a super quick, easy to follow tutorial for any beginner. So first thing we're going to do is just find your image. It works best if it's a solid color, not something like gradient or anything too complex. Just for this beginner one, we're going to do a solid color. So we're going to go with this image here. Save it to your desktop, which I already have it. So once it's saved, you're going to open up Illustrator, which you're going to need. Look for the file here, JPEG. Boom. So now we got to turn this into an SVG file so that Blender can read it. So to do that, you're just going to click the image here. Go to Window, Image Trace, double click your image, and make sure that's in black and white or color if it's solid color. So we're gonna go trace. Now that's been traced. Now we're gonna go object, image trace, expand. Okay. So now we're gonna ungroup everything. I just right click and hit, where'd it go? Well, I guess it's already ungrouped. But the next step is we're gonna have to delete the stuff we don't want. So we're gonna click on the white stuff and delete it. Okay. And then we're just gonna shrink this down a bit by holding Shift and scaling down the corner there. So grab all this stuff, hold Shift, scale down the corner, center it, and now it's ready to be exported for Blender. So we're gonna save as an SVG file. Sicko logo, yes, save it. Awesome, so that part is done. You've converted your JPEG image into a SVG. So now we go to Blender. Blender looks really scary at first, but we're not focused on any of the stuff. We're just gonna do a few simple commands. So just delete all the stuff that's already there on Blender. Okay, go to File, Import, SVG, and find it on your desktop, and there it is, Sicko logo, and zoom in, and there we have it. So right now it's a 2D file. We need to turn it into a 3D file. So I'm just gonna click on some of the stuff that I want to delete. So I'm going to delete this inside part of the circle, and to do that I'm just gonna hit delete. Okay, so now we're left with this, which is perfect. So now we got to turn it into a 3D object. So to do that, you're going to click each element, and you're going to go down here to the context part, the little toolbar, modifiers, add modifier, and just hit solidify. Okay, and now it's 3D. So we can change and edit this a little bit by moving around the thickness, but just to keep it simple, we're going to leave it at 0.01. We're going to do the same thing here for this part. Modifier, solidify, boom. Modifier, solidify, done. So now it's fully in 3D. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to it. So to do that, I'm gonna go down to material, and this is a 3D, this is our color surface here. So just ignore all that. Let's go surface, base color, put this up, and I wanna make it red. So there it is. Now we have it in 3D. We colored it, and now all we got to do is export it as whatever file type you need, OBJ, FBX, and these files are compatible with augmented reality, with any other 3D software, and then you just save it. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys.